Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Jamie and today I'm doing a reorganizing and cleaning out my refrigerator video. So what I'll be doing is showing you how I pull everything out, wipe everything down clean, and then put everything back in, making it more neat than it was before. So if you guys are interested in watching, stay tuned. Alright guys, so the first thing I had to do was definitely wash all of my dishes that I had in there so that I can wipe the cabinet down and get ready to bring everything out of my refrigerator. Now once I wipe everything down, what I normally do is move everything in this corner that's closest to my fridge. That way I don't have to go far when I'm pulling everything out in order to wipe it clean. Alright guys, this is my refrigerator. I know it's full and just so unorganized, but I decided I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out because I know I was looking for some vegetables and I know I bought it, but with it being so full, I just can't see to the back. So now the freezer is definitely another story. I'm not gonna do that today, maybe for another video, but definitely I'll get back to that. At this point, I had to take a pause because I didn't even know where to start. Alright guys, so now what I just use here is just some warm water. Normally it's pretty hot with some soap and I wipe everything down. I do also use an antibacterial spick and span cleaner that I'll show later in the video after I've cleaned everything out with soap and water. done. So I'm now pulling out everything from the middle of the refrigerator. I've done the side, and I'll just pull everything out. Whatever's expired, I'll throw away. Whatever needs to be washed, I'll put it in the sink and start from there. Now with the bigger items in the refrigerator, I just went ahead and put these in the sink to wash. And then anything like the bottom of the fridge, I just wiped it down and then used the spick and span afterwards. Now that I finished cleaning my entire refrigerator, I just go ahead and start prepping these organizing trays that I bought off Amazon. I also go ahead and clean all my vegetables and fruit with some baking soda and cold water. And this way I have some clean vegetables and fruit ready for eating and just ready and easily accessible with these trays. Alright guys, this is the final result of me reorganizing my refrigerator and cleaning it out. If you guys like this video, please comment below, subscribe as well if you haven't already. Please look out for my next video. Thanks for watching.